how to fix Instagram effects not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram effects not working on Android phone. First, then just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here you will find Instagram. Click on it and then click storage. It's easy, just clear cache, and now go to this one, data usage, enable this one, background data, and then Wi-Fi. Enable all of those here and go back to permissions. Now here you will find camera, just enable it. This one you will find it here, click enable, and then if you did that, your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just try to restart your phone and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.